What's up, guys? Want the best QuoteX promo codes? Here are the top 3 sites you should check. They consistently deliver working deals in 2025. Best promo code sites: Decidim.com, CouponChief.com, Withrift.com. How to use them. Step 1. Visit one of each site. Type the URLs directly in your browser. Decidim.com, CouponChief.com, Withrift.com. Look for current QuoteX codes. These sites update frequently. Step 2. Grab your code. Copy a code that matches your order type, like 10% off or free shipping. Step 3. Apply at checkout. Log in or create an account on QuoteX, add your items, then enter the code in the promo code box. Click Apply and watch for the discount in your subtotal. Step 4. A stack if you can. After you apply the promo code, check QuoteX's site or email promotions. Sometimes you can combine offers for extra savings. Step 5. Confirm terms. Before finalizing, double-check expiration date, minimum order value, and eligible items.